Hey guys, this is Jyoti. Welcome back to my channel. As festive season is just around the corner, you might be looking for some inspiration to create a makeup look which is a bit on the glam side, because let's be honest, festive season is the only time when we get to do a bit of glam makeup. I know that during this COVID situation, we don't have any reason to get dolled up because we are not meeting anyone, but these festivals are the only reason right now. If you make the tiny effort on these festivals, it will make you feel really good. It will give you a break from that monotonous routine. Just get up and get dolled up and click pictures. It will make you feel good. I know we are not going to meet anybody, but just for the sake of festivals, trust me, you'll feel a lot better when you do that. And that is why today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this look right here. And trust me guys, I have not used any foundation or any eyeshadow palette to get this look. It's just BB cream and one eyeshadow crayon. This video is for someone who does not know how to do eye makeup, because I am that someone. I cannot do eye makeup. So the only thing I can do is pick up an eye crayon and just color my eyelids. That's it. If I go ahead and play with 2-3 colors, I'm for sure going to ruin it. If you want to look glamorous without putting a lot of effort, then this is the video for you. Before going ahead with the tutorial, let me remind you that please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. This will mean the world to me. We are going to start with a clean face, clean and moisturized face. Moisturization is very important so that your skin looks dewy and we get that glowy look which we are looking for. I am going to be using Pond's BB cream in the shade Original. This gives medium coverage, which is kind of like a foundation. I'm using this because this BB cream gives enough coverage to me, and I like that kind of a look in which your natural skin shows. So I'm going ahead with this BB cream. You can use any foundation or BB cream that you have. I'm not going to be using any concealer because I don't have one, plus I don't even need it, I think. BB cream is enough for me. Now I'm going to contour my face using Maybelline V Face Duo Powder. You have to make sure that you're going towards the starting of your ear. You have to go from here to here, the starting part of your ear. For contouring my nose, I'm going to be using this brush which comes with this bronzer. I'm not going to be setting my base with loose powder because I like the dewy look. Plus my skin is very dry. My skin does not get oily easily, so I don't need to set it with a loose powder. Contouring with a line here makes your nose look a bit pointy and sharp. I'm not much of a blush person, that's why I don't use blush generally. But today we are going to make an exception. I'm using the Sivanna colors palette, using this as a blush. Using a bit on my nose. I'm going to highlight my face. I'm using this highlighter by Maybelline, the shade Molten Gold. It is an amazing highlighter. A bit of the highlighter on the nose as well. I love this highlighter. I love how stunning it looks. This is the best highlighter in the affordable range. For my eyebrows, I'm going to fill the eyebrows using this shade. This is some random brush that I got in a eyebrow kit. I've filled my eyebrows. Now let's go to the eyes. So I'm doing this makeup look for all those of you who are like me and who do not know how to do eye makeup. I can at most put one single eyeshadow and just blend it on my eyelid. That's it. If I go ahead with 2 or more shadows, I'm gonna end up messing it. So if you are like me, I'm going to suggest you today use eye crayons like this. You can this is from Sugar in the shade Jasper Jazz. You get these eye crayons in many brands, like K by Katrina also has it. I always wear kajal and that's it, and that is the only eye makeup I do. So if I have to go a little more blingy, then I just take this eye crayon. It has fine glitter particles in it, and I just apply it on my eyelid, and that's it. I don't do anything else. So this is pretty much what I do for eye makeup, because I generally don't know how to blend eyeshadows or how to create that smoky eye and ombre effect, blah blah, because I'm very bad with eye makeup. I don't have my Plum kajal here. It's in Pune, and every product of mine is in Pune, and I'm at my parents' place, so we'll do with whatever we have. See how one kajal can change the whole look. I love wearing kajal. Now I'll use my most favorite brown lip color, which is Colorbar Sinful Matte XXX. We are pretty much done with the makeup, but every Indian festive makeup is incomplete without a bindi. So that's pretty much it for today's video. This was how I created this look, and it turned out pretty well. Thank you for watching. Bye.